Speaking practice for the present simple. Listen to the sentence, then pause the video and repeat after me. Think about the structure we studied and train your brain to master the present simple. Let's get started. Do you drink beer or wine? Michael speaks 4 languages. He speaks English, Russian, Japanese, and German. I only speak 1. This library opens at 7 a.m. and closes at 6 p.m. Wild animals cause many car accidents. Drivers accidentally hit the animals or panic when they see the animals. A lexicographer is someone who writes dictionary entries. Harry doesn't go to university. He works as an online language tutor. How often do you take your dog to the park? Where does Ji-sung come from? He is from South Korea. These kittens are so tiny and cute. They are staring at me with their lovely little eyes. Cows produce milk. We use the milk to produce cheese, butter, yogurt, and other things. What time does this bank shut? The World Cup takes place every 4 years. The Olympics are the same. Nature is incredible. I always watch nature documentaries to learn more about wildlife. Where do you work? I work for a large law firm in London. The firm specializes in labor law. Simon, you don't go outside enough. I suggest you go out and get some fresh air. What do you do well that makes you a good fit for this company? I always put in 100% effort, and I promise to do the same if you give me the job. People in England drink a lot of tea. They usually drink their tea with milk. Vegetarians don't eat any meat or fish. Vegans are the same, but also don't consume any dairy products.